Would you like to give us an example of some type of program that you'd like to highlight in regards to enhancing the customer experience?
Sure can. Thanks, Luke. We're going to go ahead and just talk about a little deeper dive on conversational IVR. So again, the technologies have matured to a point where you feel like you're having this conversation interaction like we're having right now. And you can literally just ask a question, right? So there's no more pressing 1, pressing 2, pressing 3, or yes, no, with some digits. And we have seen one of the agents we partnered with about 3 years ago has just enhanced this thing to a degree now where we're getting into taxpayer information. So we've actually went FedRAMP high, security always first, right? And we've taken all those solutions now up into the cloud. And what's so awesome about this, right, is, again, kind of like to Dana's point, right, you take those lower hanging things, transactional, maybe it's FAQs, right, and then you start building from there. And here we are now 3 years later, where we're actually getting into constituents information, so things that are particular to them. So we're able to do even much more complex things, and where you're not pushing buttons and you're just having that conversation, we can do that. And it's transformational. And again, you have to start out small, right, with those simple tasks, and then kind of build upon that. And here we are 3 years later, where we're transformation this agency and all the constituents that will be able to use it 24/7, right? You don't have to rely on somebody on the back end, right? That's available, right? And again, we're simplifying processes as well, right? To make those interactions easier. Those are some of the things that we've helped the agency understand. It's not just about implementation of technology. Sometimes you have to change processes.